so amazing. Today on the 10th of August 2024, there's a Gelvonů gatvė.
Yeah.
56 mistake is the apartments 1 to 36 here.
Yeah.
It's also in Šeškinė, one of the suburbs of Vilnius, Lithuania. This has been built in 1981. Let's write it. Original buttons in the campus.
Yeah, 0 appears there left 03137.
Yeah. Another view here.
Yeah. Or 02137. Yeah.
Give us these problems with the bedrooms and I'll have this on assessment.
Same. Yeah.
But it has some weird noises.
Yeah.
Too bad somebody sprayed it.
Yeah.
Pink. Is somebody coming?
No, ei niitä kaikki väistytään. Meitä nyt pakko niin.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much.
That's